You're gambling $20,000 to save $15 a month. That's what skipping renter's insurance really means. And if something goes wrong, you don't get partial help. You get zero. Your landlord insures the building, the walls, the floors, the pipes, the structure. They do not insure your laptop, your TV, your clothes, your furniture, or anything inside your apartment. If a pipe bursts, if there's smoke damage, or if someone breaks in, you're on your own unless you have your own policy. And replacing your stuff isn't even the most important reason renter's insurance matters. The two most valuable parts are liability and loss of use. Start with liability. Imagine you're running a bath and you get distracted. The water overflows and damages your floor, and the ceiling of the apartment below you. Now you're not dealing with an inconvenience. You're dealing with thousands of dollars in damage, and sometimes legal threats. Renter's insurance works like a shield here. It can cover damage you accidentally caused to someone else's property and help with legal costs. That's the difference between a bad afternoon and paying off a mistake for the next 2 years. Now, loss of use. If there's a fire nearby, smoke damage, or your building shuts down for repairs and your apartment becomes unlivable, you still have to live somewhere. Hotels cost money. Eating out costs money. Temporary changes cost money. Loss of use coverage helps pay those extra living expenses, so a disruption doesn't turn into a financial spiral. Now the math. Most renters' insurance policies cost $15 to $20 a month, about 50 cents a day. For that, you often get tens of thousands of dollars in personal property coverage and around $100,000 in liability protection. It's one of the cheapest ways to prevent your financial progress from being reset to zero. If you're going to buy it, remember 3 simple rules. First, do a video inventory. Walk through your apartment and record everything. Closets, drawers, electronics, serial numbers, and store that video somewhere safe. If you ever file a claim, proof is everything. Second, choose replacement cost coverage, not actual cash value. Actual cash value pays what your old items are worth today, which is usually very little. Replacement cost pays what it takes to actually replace them. Third, bundle it. If you already have car insurance, ask about a multi-policy discount. Sometimes the savings are large enough that the renter's policy nearly pays for itself. Renter's insurance isn't about fear. It's about control. $15 a month isn't a waste. It's protection for your stuff, your liability, and your ability to keep moving forward when something goes wrong. If this helped, subscribe for more calm, strategic money breakdowns. Next week, we're breaking down how insurance deductibles actually work and how choosing the wrong one can quietly cost you. And if you haven't yet, start with our emergency fund breakdown, because protection always comes first. Until then, learn here, research more, and then decide for yourself.